Hey guys, I am Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. In today's video, I am going to share with you how you can use a washi tape in 5 different ways. So if there are washi tapes lying in your stationery collection, then I'm sure this video will help you make use of them. For the first one, we are going to make some wonderful bookmarks. This one has to be the easiest way to use your washi tapes, especially if they are thicker. I have used brushstroke watercolor sheets here. Now I have provided the links of all the products in the description box. So if you want to make a purchase, you can do that by clicking on the links. Now you can also paint the paper cutting and then stick your tape. You can match the color of the washi tape with the color you are using on the sheet, or you can go for contrast as well. Now there are so many possibilities, so experiment as much you want. I think these look pretty good and they are supremely easy to create. It will literally take you just 10 minutes to create these and they look like you have purchased them from somewhere. Like, of course, you have purchased the washi tapes from somewhere, but they look really nice and they will definitely complement the book you are reading if you have a heart for such aesthetics. Next, we are going to use some washi tapes to decorate a bunch of tea light candles. Tea light candles are beautiful as they are, but with a few washi tapes they look even prettier. Especially if you are a creator and you need props for your pictures or videos, you can try wrapping washi tapes around these tea light candles and use them. They will make a huge difference to your pictures, and in general also, they will look so aesthetic on your desk or wherever you choose to place them. For the next one, we are going to use a couple of pencils. This one is actually my favorite. When I was a kid, I always wanted vibrant pencils and not those regular red and black ones. So yes, if you have some washi tapes, wrap them around pencils to give them a new and vibrant look. These pencils will also make your flat lay pictures look so much more beautiful, as they are great elements to fill up spaces in your content pictures. I know a lot of you guys are also content creators yourselves, so I'm hoping you will find these techniques useful, and do not worry about sharpening your pencils. You won't face any problem with sharpening. You can sharpen them as easily as you did before. For the next one, you can use any random paper clip lying in your drawer. For this one, you need just a little bit of tape. Put it through the paper clip and then stick both the ends. You can chop away the edges to give it a bit of a shape. It's very simple, nothing fancy, but it's a great way to use up leftover tapes in your collection. And lastly, how can we forget journaling? You must have seen me use washi tapes in my journal spreads all the time. They make the spread look so beautiful without even putting in much effort. So you can use washi tapes in your regular journal, bullet journal, art journal, or wherever you want to use them. So basically, they just make everything look so much more vibrant and beautiful. So yes, let me know if you would want to watch another video on different ways of using washi tapes in your journal. I would be happy to create a video on this topic as well. And that was all for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it valuable. I had this random video clip of me making a bookmark with some watercolor, so I thought I will add it as an outro for this video. Didn't want to waste this video clip, so yeah, let me know in the comment section what you think about this video and which one you liked the best, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.